Hi, my name is 4times and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make loop tapes. It's pretty easy to make loop tapes. I made a couple of different style of loop tapes. Make short ones, very simple short loop tapes, a couple of seconds. You can make longer ones. I'll show you in another video how to make those. Up to 8-10 seconds. And rhythmical loop tapes. That's for another video too. So stay tuned. First we're gonna make the simplest form, short loop tape. Okay, here we go. You can use whatever you want. You can pick an old cassette you don't use anymore, just as long as it has screws, so you can open it. It's very important. But we're gonna use a brand new old one. To make it more visual for you guys, I'm gonna use this one, this case, because it's see-through, so you can see better. First thing we're gonna do is cut this little piece. Cut the tape. Off. Don't throw away this. We're gonna use it to make our rhythmical loop tape. So put it aside. So what you'll need is this little wheel, and you can put it here. Then there's two ways. You can measure the tape, measure it on about 22 centimeters. Make sure to make a straight cut of 90 degrees in the tape. This we can put aside. Don't throw it away, because you can always use it afterwards. And don't worry about sticking hands on the tape. Doesn't matter, or even having a little bit of wrinkles, because it gives character as well. So So you see that the tape curls in a certain way. I'm gonna put it together in the same curl. What do we need for it? Scotch tape. You can use a special tape to put the tapes together. That doesn't affect the magnetic stuff on the tape, but Scotch tape works fine actually. So we only need a very small piece to put at the back side of the tape. And this is the tricky part. Maybe you have to do it like a couple of times until it's good. once the tape is on there, it's on there. If you pull it off, you can damage the magnetic stuff on the tape. Okay, now we have to close it. Like this. So I think this is pretty okay. So the most important thing is that the tape isn't too tight, because if it's too tight, it won't work. The mechanism won't turn, and then you cannot use it. Okay, so sometimes I use these tweezers to put it in place. Yeah. And then it's just closing the tape again. So just make sure that these little plastic things don't get over the tape, so it wrinkles and it's stuck in there. So that's just have to be a little bit careful. Like so. Okay, now we can test the tape. Before we screw it together. See if it turns. And it turns. It's perfect. Now we can screw it together. There you have it. You have a loop tape.